Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a saddle-capable Loomian in your party and enough funds to buy bait or travel. Once done, target zones with higher spawn rates and low-level enemies to farm efficiently. Make sure to also check player shops for listings. Move quickly but deliberately. Enter an area, trigger spawns, and defeat Loomians that historically drop saddles. You do this because consistent, repeated encounters increase drop probability, and buying saves tedious grind. You now focus on execution. Farm during bonus events or community-organized double drop periods to stretch your effort. Once done with a run, zone out and back to reset spawns quickly. This maximizes encounters per hour and improves odds. Make sure to document which locations and times yielded the most drops. If RNG stalls, pivot to trading. Offer sought-after Loomians or crafted items in global or local trade channels, because direct trades often net saddles faster than pure farming. You finish by equipping the saddle and confirming it works on your Loomian, test movement, and any stat changes. Once done, if you never obtained a saddle, reassess spawn locations, timing, and whether you used bait or event boosts. Small tweaks change outcomes. Make sure to document steps you tried, because if an item disappears or a drop seems glitched, reporting to moderators with evidence accelerates resolution. Stay patient and adapt tactics based on what yields results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.